Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now run the third command. Once done, you can run the last command. And then close this, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, then type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and install the update. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Now once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these three commands. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to update Microsoft. You can update your catalog, update using Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Paste the update over here. You can type in the name of the update and then click on search. On this page, before you download anything, type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WINVER run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings and then go to Windows system and then scroll down, go to about option. Check your system type. In my case, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5083769. Click on it, and once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to close all third-party application. Make sure only the Windows update is running, rest close everything. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. Also, if you have any third-party antivirus, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you are done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to Advanced option. Scroll down, click on Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.